A very good morning to all of you students. This is active and passive voice. In that we are going to start present perfect tense. See, lastly we have discussed about past continuous tense, but actually it is turn of future continuous tense. But let me tell you one thing, there is no passive voice in future continuous tense. Okay, so we will directly move for present perfect tense. Sentence pattern is little bit different, but the usage of this tense is same. So the sentence pattern is active voice sentence pattern. It is subject plus has or have plus V3 object other words. See, the useful thing in this tense is here V3 is already given. So no need to remember that thing. Subject has, have, been, V3 by, object other words. Okay, sentence pattern. She has closed the door. So the door will come here. The door has been closed by her. Now second, they have invited us in the party. So us will come first and it becomes we. We have been invited by them in the party. Number 3, the students have called the teacher. The teacher will come first. Here we are talking about a single teacher, I mean that singular form. So the teacher has been called by the students. Now number 4, I have posted your letters. So your letters will come first. Your letters have been posted by me. Okay, these are the affirmative sentences in present perfect tense in passive voice. Please you note down these, students. This number 4 is not visible, so I am speaking the answer from here. I have posted your letters, so your letters have been posted by me. Okay, next is negative sentences. What to do in negative sentences? You have to put only not after have and has. Active voice, subject plus have, has, not, V3 object other words. Okay, and in passive subject plus have or has plus not been V3 plus by object plus other words. The sentence is, she has not read my letter yet. Yet will not change its place, okay? So money will come first. Money has not been collected by us yet. Number 3, our doctors have not done anything wrong. Okay, so anything wrong will come first. Anything wrong has not been done by our doctors. Now number 4, you have not sent me that message. Here we have two objects, that is me and that message. So that both we can use as an object and two answers are possible. First we will put that message. That message has not been sent to me by you. And if we take me as an object, so that becomes I. I have not been sent that message to me by you. Okay, so this way we can change negative sentences into passive voice. Please you note down this. Negative and that affirmative sentence in this tense. This is present perfect tense. Now it's time to go for interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences. First we will go for this sentence pattern, that is active voice. In that, have and has comes here. After that we need subject, V3, object and other words. Lastly we put interrogative mark. Passive voice is have, has plus subject. It's been V3 by object, other words. At last we I give you that sentence. Okay, first sentence. Have you ever visited Goa? So this Goa comes first. So has Goa ever been visited by you? At last question mark. Okay. This is the sentence pattern and example of interrogative sentence. Please you note down this. Next sentence. Okay, next sentence is sentence number 2. Has she called you for the party? Okay, so this you will come first, and when we have you, that's why we will use here have. Have you been called by her for the party? Number 3. Has he written your name into the race? So we will write your name here. Has your name been written by him into the race? Okay, these are the another examples of interrogative sentence in present perfect tense. Please you note down these, students. Now next we'll do this WH word in interrogative sentences. So what to do in WH word? So we have to put WH here. After that have or has. After that subject. And writing this passive voice construction, okay? After that, been, with, by, object, other words, plus question mark. Okay? This is passive voice construction. Now, why have you done this mistake? This is our question. So, answer is this mistake will come first. Here we are talking about one mistake, so we will put why has this mistake been done by you. Now second we will use who has called me for the party. As you know student that this who will be changed into by whom. So by whom have I been called for the party? Okay, these are the two sentences. I'll give some more. Please do note down this. Sentences I will give. See what to do is in past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense we just have to put had instead of have. Another example. Whom have you asked such questions? Whom have you asked such questions? The answer is whom have such questions been asked by you. Number 4. What have you done? No. What have you posted in the group? Okay. The next is my answer is what have been posted by you in the group? Okay, see when you have what question at that time you don't have object. So in what question we don't have object. Please you note down these two sentences. After that we'll give you more. Please note down. This is our present perfect tense. Now I will give you mixed sentences. We will solve those mixed sentences. Okay. See. They have not informed me about exam. Now this me will come first. So that me becomes I. I have not been informed by them about exam. Now second, she has posted many letters many letters will come first. Many letters have been posted by her. Number 3 is have been collected all the news. Okay, so this all the news is plural form, but we use that singular. So has all the news been collected by them? Okay, these are the extra sentences. Please you note down. After that, I will give you homework. So this is for today's video, present perfect tense. Now it's time to give you homework. You have to write 10 sentences of this tense in passive voice. Okay, we will do another tense, that is past perfect tense, in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.